2020 Chevy Colorado oil change. Oil filter is 84674. Cartridge, and we're gonna change the oil on it. Cartridge, and it's gonna use dextrose 530. So let's get started. We already checked the windshield washer, I checked the radiator, checked that, that's all good. So oil and out. Drain plug, filter's probably somewhere up top. Take a look at it later. I see it's got rubber washer, rubber grommet.
See? Same.
Yep.
Same shit. Laser go to.
Well, we got it this time. Size of drain plug was a 15. So we're going to take this cover off. So first thing we're going to do is open the oil cap. Release that. Now we're going to have one bolt here, probably a 10mm. One down in there, 10mm. Over here on the side, 10mm. Now we're gonna have to undo this clamp as well.
Ty masz filtr gotowy? Tu gdzieś położony, czy?
Yeah, it's right behind me.
The yellow one?
No, blue box. Yep.
More fast.
Yep.
Just job done?
Yeah, pull it off.
To trzeba jedną zejść?
Yep.
Popuść jeszcze, nie?
I did. That is a lot.
To rozkonektowałeś?
Mhm.
Łeb chciałeś. Nie ma jakiego laku?
Nope, just pull. Just pull. That's all it is. You have to pull that off. Nope, you gotta remove 10mm bolts. One from the middle hole. One's gonna be right there.
Be okay, like with this one, there's like clips only. Lift up. That's it. That's it?
Nope, we got one more on the other side. No, it's a hole for the oil.
I know.
Over here, we have a next one. Right down here. Shine flashlight. Right there. The last one.
This is stupid.
It sure is.
Same like GMC change spokes
Yep.
part. Moving engine be like one.
Yeah, no thanks.
Like take off. So you full up, there's only thread.
No, take the bolt out
Where was the other one?
in my hands. There's the third one. Now you have to loosen clamp on that side. Screwdriver, pass me. I remove this. Clamp here.
Jesus.
Yep.
Musiło dumać, kurde.
Yep. Okay, I'll pull off.
Take tools.
Yeah, I'll grab cover and I'll pull off.
Holding something.
Yeah, this clamp needs to be pulled off. Which I find stupid. Give some for the Chevy interns to do.
Maybe this won't be like now. Moving.
I'll have to pull the cover off. That's what we gotta do. This side, grab here and pull towards you.
How's this one? It's okay?
No, pull. Yeah, this is fine.
Something holding.
No, nothing's holding. Well, yeah, that you need to pull that towards you.
Yeah?
Yes. Yep. Pull. That's the world's smartest shit you ever seen.
This one not take off? This is no.
I have no idea. And I still don't see filter, so. Pass me flashlight.
Is it? This
That's
guy.
not a filter. I have to find. Pull this cover completely off.
So pull this way?
Now pull towards me. There you go. Oh, watch out, there's gonna be a hose right there. Have to unclip it. Nope, right here. Hold on. Pull on this tab like this. Then pull off. There it is. Now you can pull off completely. Where is this oil filter? Yep, there it is. Down there. Right there. Size 24 is the oil filter. Alright, Ben. Go grab a size 24 and an extension. We have to pull off. That was stupid. The thing I hate doing on these is down here, where this wire is right here. The coolant temperature sensor that they put in a way where you have to take the intake off. But for me, if you take the thermostat housing off and this bracket, you can get to it better. And they made that out of plastic so the engine cooks it alive and kills it. So that's always fun to do. Fuck!
Czyli też nie włożysz. Przyświcz z góry. No. To czekaj, wyłącz go lampkę. Mostly stupid.
Well, what else are the Chevy interns gonna do? Pull. There you go. Oil that. I would oil that.
No oil now, my fingers.
Just like that. Yep. Push down. Should seat in that groove. Good. Now this will be tipped down. Push. There you go. Installed. Now we gotta install it.
So?
Now we gotta install it back in there. Ain't that just the stupidest spot to put an oil filter? Keep looking, cuz. Don't worry about it, cuz. Installed. That was a 24mm we had to use. Push down. Because the cable's up here. I can't. Put the snorkel on that throttle body.
Two?
No. Yes, that put down. And I should be able. Well, let's move this down further, so I can get this on. And that should just clip in like that. So that's in. I'm gonna put the throttle on. Or we're gonna put the airbox one on. Would you put the throttle one on?
Push?
I did. Did you put the throttle on?
No, not yet.
Yeah, push that on.
More to go to.
Mine's in.
Nice enough.
Yep. Nope, maybe not from the bottom. Now it's in.
Maybe not tight before we not push over here.
I'm just gonna make sure that this one is
In?
on, so it's not gonna slide off. Okay, tight. Get this little hose on. Plug it up in here. Grab some white lithium, actually.
Take these off each one separate. Make sure you mark left front, left rear, okay?
I know right now we need to take off this.
No, we don't. Alright. In.
And now we're looking over here.
Yeah, I see. Hold on.
Yeah, we did the front 55 and the rear.
I try push.
Make sure you mark the one you take.
Push?
Yeah, keep pushing. These are always such a pain in the ass. The bottom's not caught. Push down and now pull. Yeah.
But this hold it.
Almost. Yep.
Go.
No. Yeah, so I don't like Chevy at all.
Okay, this one is correct.
Fine. Cool. Let's say you put the cover back on, which is a pain in the ass. Then we'll have to put the bolts on.
This
And 6 quarts of the synthetic dextrose 530. And the oil change is done. That's how you do it on a Colorado from 2020. Or pretty much anything with this 3.6